SkyNexFlow is presented as an online trading platform that combines browser-based access, market information, analytical tools, and professional support. This video provides a SkyNexFlow review-style overview of the main platform features described on its official website. According to the published material, SkyNexFlow highlights spreads starting from 0.0 pips and expert support aligned with trading hours. The platform is positioned for users ranging from first-time participants to people working with more advanced market strategies. Market information is organized to make price activity easier to follow. SkyNexFlow uses green to indicate increases and red to indicate decreases, while displayed times automatically adjust to the user's local time zone. Individual asset pages are described as showing market characteristics, contract deadlines, visible trading timeframes, and identifiers. These details can help users understand how an instrument is presented and when its relevant market activity takes place. SkyNexFlow also focuses on market volatility. Its website describes real-time pattern analysis, assessment of how fluctuations affect asset prices, attention to possible entry and exit timing, and professional insights intended to support interpretation of changing conditions. Access is browser-based, so no additional software installation is required. Users can reach their account and platform tools from an internet-enabled device. The site also highlights personalized insights, account management, and a community-oriented approach to financial decision-making. In summary, SkyNexFlow is presented as a browser-based trading platform combining market information, analytical resources, structured asset details, and professional support in one online environment.